Good morning, my dear children. How are you all? Hope all of you are in the best of your health with God's grace. Children, today, before I start my work, I want to wish all of you good wealth, health, and success in your life by saying you happy Navratras. All of us know that the Navratras are going on, and today is the third day of our Navratra. So, Durga Ma and all the you can say avatars of Mata Rani bless you all. With this, I start my today's work. Now, children, let us see what is there on the screen. Yes, we can see children. Three, four children are standing there and they are singing and dancing and enjoying themselves. Now, why I am showing you this picture? Can anybody guess? Again, next picture is like that. See, all are happy, singing and doing dancing. Yes, children, I am showing you this picture because today's topic is your poem of a literature part and its name is Come Little Children. It's a wonderful, very beautiful and small as well as easiest poem of your syllabus. While reading only we will come to know what's there in the poem. So let's start reading the poem. Come, my little children. Come, my little children, here are songs for you. Some are short and some are long, and all are new. You must learn to sing them very small and clear, very true to time and tune and pleasing to the ear. Mark a note that rises, mark notes that fall, mark the time when broken and the swing of it all. So when night has come and you have gone to bed, all the songs you love to sing shall echo in your head. So children, it's very easy poem. By reading only we come to know that in this poem, the poet is telling us, or you can say the children, to learn the songs which he has written. See, and enjoy them, and enjoy its pleasing sound and music and rhythm. Now, how he's saying us to do is, I'm going to explain you line wise. Come, my little children. Now, here the poet is inviting the children. He's saying, Come, my little children, my dear children. Here are songs for you. Here are few beautiful songs for you. Some are short and some are long. He's saying some songs are short and some are long. But all the songs are new. You must learn to sing them very small and clear. He said you must learn to sing these melodious songs. They are very small as well as clear. Very true to time and tune means it's very beautiful. You will like it and pleasing to the ear means you will when you will listen to its music you will feel very good. Mark the notes that rises. All of you take music classes also in school also, so you know the rising note and decreasing and increasing the notes. So he's saying mark the notes that fall means where your voice should be high, where it should be low. You should just learn that. Mark the time when broken means you have to mark the time when you have to take a pause and the swing of it all and enjoy the song. So when night has come, he says, when night is there, you have gone to bed and you have gone for rest. All these songs you love sing means when at night you go to bed for sleeping, just sing those songs which you love. Shall echo in your head. Shall echo means it should come into your mind. Echo means when we say repetition of the voice should be there, and the poet name is R.L. Stevenson. So nothing much in this poem, just a small little beautiful poem. Here the poet is telling us, or you can say the small children, to learn the poems which, or you can say not poems exactly, the songs which he has written, and they are very short, beautiful songs, and it has very beautiful music. So he tells the children to learn those songs and also to repeat the songs at night while they are sleeping so that they can feel good. I hope the poem is clear to you, all of you. Anything you could not understand, mark it and you can ask in tomorrow's class. Now, children, these are the word bank. You have to write Frame sentences of these three word bank and the question answers are there. Word meaning true to time and tune. Here has rhythm and melody, pleasing to the ear, nice to listen to. The time when broken is to pause. These three words, same words, word bank, frame sentences you have to make, and one small RTC is for you. Come, my little children, here are songs for you. Some are short and some are long, and all are new. You must learn to sing them very small and clear, very true to time and tune and pleasing to ear. So this is a small reference. You have to answer these questions. Who is mine the bus stanza? Poet. What must the children learn to sing? They must learn to sing the song which the poet was telling them. Give a pair of rhyming words, clear and ear. Frame sentence you will make yourself. The word is short. Name the poem and the poet. Poem is Come My Little Children and poet is R.L. Stevenson. And after every answer I want a ending line here. I hope it is clear to all. Anything you could not understand, please mark it and ask me in tomorrow's class. And after completing this work, please send it in the class 4B English group by 2 o'clock today itself. Till then, bye. Have a great day. God bless you all. Love you.